a discussion on worksheets. Thank you, Wafer. We have the discussion on the worksheets that I have uploaded after the lesson on Monday, correct? So today I really want to discuss that worksheets because the first thing I only received from few of you the worksheets, okay, and then most of you never submit yet the worksheets. One more thing, the second thing, from Monday when I was doing the one-to-one with the grade 5 students, I got to know that students, the worksheets is very hard for them. They don't know how to do the worksheets because maybe because of the questions or what. Yes, it's my mistake, I admit. Because every time after the lesson, usually teacher will discuss the worksheets together with the students, right? At least one or two worksheets, and then I will ask you all to complete the further worksheets that I have uploaded, correct? But this time on Monday, because of the connection and also the issue because teacher was at school, so I had to end the call 7 minutes earlier. Am I right? On Monday? Yeah, so no any discussion on worksheets, correct? On Monday. So that's why I want to work on the worksheets now. We're really going to discuss the worksheets because the worksheets that submitted by the students, the Monday's worksheet, the 3 worksheets, except 2 students, the rest of the answers are all wrong. Wei Feng's answers also wrong, Sheng Wei also wrong, Sheng En also wrong, Fiona also wrong, Adish also wrong. Only correct is Herman because I taught him during one-to-one on Tuesday. Okay, Herman, we're going to discuss again for all the worksheets. Okay. And then I already uploaded 3 more extra worksheets for you. I know it's quite harder, but can try actually. And then Chia Yangi, your answers are also correct. Okay, so the rest of the answers are wrong, but your wrong answers also are same. Maybe because you misunderstood the concept, correct? So can we discuss the worksheet? Okay, so those the answers are wrong, please do the correction. Those who never submit, please also try to do with the correct answer. Okay, now the new worksheets I already uploaded now, just now before the class starts. And then the previous worksheets are, yes, worksheet 1, worksheet 2, and worksheet 3. And then for your information also, I have to show the slide, the four-sided figure 1, four-sided figure, four-sided figure. There are 3 slides we have learned. Okay, correct? Now, the easiest one. Okay, we go for the easiest one. This one is identify the polygons. Okay, yeah. This worksheet, some of your answers are correct, but some of you never give me the full answers. They choose the questions, type the answers, and then just submit to me. Okay. Can you all please check your own worksheets also in Edmodo, those who have submitted, whether the answers are correct or wrong? Can we check? Hello, class. Can you hear me? Can see my
Yes,
screen or
teacher.
not? Can see my screen or not?
Can.
Okay. First, you have to identify and you have to name the following polygons. Okay, number 1. Who can tell to teacher what is the name of this shape? Any volunteer? Everybody have to talk, huh? Number 1. So I just call the name. Okay. Luiso, what is the shape of what is the name of the shape number 1?
Octagonal.
Hmm? Louder, Luiso. Oi,
Pentagonal.
pentagona. Hello, why? You simply think is it? Pentagon is only have 5 sides. Do you all
Hexagon.
remember? Yes, very good. Do you all remember we have learned this last year on during grade 4? 5 sides of shape, we call it as a pentagon. If the shape has 6 sided, we call it as hexagon. Understand, Luiso?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, we call it as a hexagon. Okay, number 2 is the same shape that we have learned here. Can you all see my screen also, the slide? So what is the shape of number 2? Herman.
1920.
Again, Herman.
Rectangle.
How the rectangle? It could be like this. Hello. Rectangle, it should be in the straight line, but this is not a straight line. So what the shape is this? Teacher already explained what. Rectangle is straight line, but this is a parallelogram. Yes, it's a parallelogram. So please refer the slide before answer the questions, class. Okay, who can tell to teacher the name of this third shape? What is the name of the shape? Again, you can refer the slide. Can you see all types of quadrilateral? I already explained. And then the one more slide also I have explained here. And then the one more slide also I have explained already. Correct? So, who can tell to teacher the name of the shape number 3? Josephine, what is the name of the shape for number 3?
I forgot already.
Why you forget? That's why teacher said, you all are, not only Josephine, after the class end, everything is gone. The time during the class I'm teaching, some of you absorb, some of you didn't bother. After the class, do you know what is the purpose of I'm recording the call? After the class, if you all don't understand the worksheets, how to do the worksheets, the purpose of the video is to watch again. You can watch the video. The slide that I have uploaded in Edmodo, do you think it's very easy for me to do? You think teacher simply post the worksheet or simply post the slides in Edmodo? No. For you all to refer after the class, before the class, forever until you do the exam of that topic, particular topic. Correct or not? So, what is the name of this shape? Also in your slide. If you did the revision of the slides, you can answer the question. Who else want to try? Number 3.
Teacher, can I try?
Yes.
Is irregular.
Irregular.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Is irregular. Can you all see? Can you all see here, class? The shape number 2. Okay, question number 3. Adish, what is the name of the shape? First, count the sides.
Question which one, teacher? 3.
Number 3. Sorry, number 4. No, this means here lah. Number 1 here.
Okay.
Mm.
1. 7. It's heptagon. It's called heptagon.
Very good. The name of this shape is heptagon because it has 7 sides. Okay, very good. The second one. Jingza. What is the name of this shape? How many sides it has? Jingza.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. First up.
No.
How many sides it has? Count. Huh?
9.
Okay, 9. What is the name of the shape? 5 is pentagon, 6 is hexagon, 7 is heptagon, 8 is octagon, 9 is nonagon. Okay, and then 10 is decagon. Please do remember that, class. The gone, everything that we have learned last year, remember that. Pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Okay, the shape number 3 here. Who can tell to teacher what is the name of this shape? Weifeng. Also, the answer is in the. Although also the answers already in your slides. You can search.
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. No.
Rhombus.
Check again. Very good. Rhombus, because all sides are same side as the square, but sliding a bit. Teacher said we call it as rhombus. Very good. Okay, this one, number 1. Zunshan, what is the name of this shape? This one is the basic shape. Class. Zunshan, faster. Who wants to try? Fiona, what is the name of this shape?
Is it rectangle?
Yes, it's a rectangle. Good. Okay, the second one, Herman.
Octagon.
Octagon, very good, because it has 8 sides. Okay, the third one, Angiwan, type your answer. What is the name of the shape? Angiwan? I think she's typing. Okay. Here. Can you see now? Trapezium. Very good. Okay. So, Sheng En. The last one, number 1. What is the name of the shape?
Patagonia.
Pentagon. Call it pentagon. Okay, very good. Because it has 5 sides. Okay, number 2, Sheng Wei. What is the name of the shape?
Teacher, can I try?
Jia Yang. Wait for a while. What is the answer, Sheng Wei? Sheng Wei, what did you say just now? Sheng Wei? What did you say just now? The name of the shape?
Decagon.
10 side we call what? This shape has 10 sides.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, Sheng Wei. We call it as decagon.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, Sheng Wei, I can hear you very well. Okay, it's okay, Sheng Wei. So we call it as decagon. Okay, the last one, Chia Yang, what is the name of the shape? Chia Yang?
Square.
Decagon.
Yes, Sheng Wei, decagon, correct. Okay, the last one is square. Very good. Okay, done. So please do remember all the answers that we have discussed. Okay, now the second worksheet. I don't know which part is very hard to understand here. I don't know. All your answers are wrong except the 2 students that I have mentioned just now. You have to find the value of the angles in each quadrilateral. Okay, those who have passed up the worksheets already, please look the work. Now please listen carefully. Teacher said the shapes doesn't matter now. Correct? The shapes it's not a matter now. The only thing you need to find is, okay, I'll show you the example. The slide here. Okay, only this one. No matter which shape. Sorry, it's only this one is only for parallelogram. Teacher said, let's say the parallelogram, here the angle A is stated, let's say 15 degree. Of course, it is same because teacher said opposite interior angles are equal. Let's say the angle A is 15 degree. Angle C also should be the same, 15 degree. Understand or not? Let's say the angle D is 85 degree. Automatically you should know the angle B also 85 degree because teacher said opposite interior angles must be equal. And then one more important thing I have explained last time. Let's say if your angles are in straight line, let's say angle D and angle C is in the straight line. So the total angle for D and C should be class. What is the total angle of D and C? 180. Okay, we go back to the worksheet now. Teacher said the straight line of the angle should be 180. So it's very easy to find the value of the A. Am I right? Since 80 degree is already given, so here should be
100.
100. But how to find only the A?
70.
Hello. How to find only the A? 100. You have to
minus
minus with the 70 to find the value of A. Very simple. Teachers say the straight line, we call it as a supplementary angle. The total must be 180. 80 is given, so means the one more side it should be 100, or else what you can do is 180 you minus 80 minus 70, you will get 30 degree for your A angle. Correct or not? Or else 80 is given, so one more side automatically you should know is 100. Correct? So in the 100, 70 is given, means the balance should be 30 degree. Very simple. That's the way. Understand or not? It's not 360 degree you minus this both to get the A. Not at all. Teacher say 360 degree is for all the four angles in the shape, means all the four interior angles. Understand or not? Understand or not?
yes teacher.
Yes. So how to find 180 minus the 80, the balance 100 you minus with the 70 to get the value of A. This one is for question number 1. Okay, who wants to try the question number B? Josephine, any idea?
Yes, teacher.
How to find the value of B? Mm. How? Teacher said if in the straight line, the total value is 180. If one
Yes.
side of angle is given, how to find the value of another side? Okay, it's okay. I open for everybody.
Don't
What?
understand yet.
Okay. Okay.
Chờ
Which
vậy là
part
vậy là.
you don't understand? It's okay. Never mind. Better you all ask the question. Okay. Teacher said, okay, now teacher said, okay, you have a look on the slide here. Both of these angle, the total must be 180. No matter what angles are given here, but the total
Teacher,
should
can
be
you
180.
can you go back?
Go back to what?
Go back to
Go
the
back to
slide.
where? Okay, I'm going back to the slide now.
Right.
So teacher said these both should be 180. So if the 80 is given, is the normal minus lah. 180, 80 is given, you should know that here should be 100. Correct or not? But
No. Yes.
you only have to find the value of the alphabet, because the question is asked only of the angle of the value given. So 100, yes, minus 70, you will get 30. Okay, same goes to here. This total should be,
Why need to minus 30?
okay, this one is total 180, correct, Josephine? Okay,
Then minus
you minus ready
80.
with one part, so the balance is
100.
100. So the balance is for this angle, correct? Angle.
Then the 30 come from where?
70 is given. How to find here? Understand or not? Teacher say the total is 180, right?
Yes.
You minus the 80, you minus the 70, you should get the A, correct?
I don't understand.
Okay. The straight line here, the total is 180. Who else still don't understand? Please let me know. Is only Josephine or the rest all can understand well? How about the rest? Class, how about the rest? Is only Josephine don't understand or the rest? All can understand well? Sure? Weifeng, are you sure? Jose, are you sure? Adis? Fiona? All very sure. Cheng En, Cheng Wei? Okay. Good. So teacher say the total angle for here is 180 degree, correct? Here, okay.
Yes.
This is the 180 degree, only the one side straight line. Okay. This center line is only for you all to make confused only. Okay. So total 180 degree. If the 80 degree is given, of course the balance should be
100.
100. How to find the value of A if only 70 given here? 100 you have to minus with the 70 to get the value of A. So A is 30. Now you count again everything. 30 plus 70 plus 80 is equals to 100 and
Oh, okay.
180. Okay, never mind. One more example I can give. Okay, here. Teacher say the total here is 180, correct?
Yeah.
75 is already given. How to find the value of B?
Minus 75.
Exactly, 180 degree.
105.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay.
170 degree, sorry, 180 degree. You have to minus with the 75 degree. You will get the answer for B.
Oh,
Correct?
yes.
Same goes to C. Who can find the answer for me? Okay, C, Fiona. How to find the value of C? Josephine, can you understand now?
Yeah.
Josephine?
Teacher.
Yes, no, never mind. The worksheets is a lot here. I already uploaded extra worksheets. Try to do. Okay, C, Fiona. How to find the value of C, Fiona?
85.
85. What is the value of C? How to find the value of C? Since you said you understand, right, just now? So how
85.
to find? 85 is wrong. How to find the value of C?
85 minus 90.
How small number can minus the big number?
90 minus 85.
Why 90? May I know the reason, Fiona? Did you
Because,
focus just now? What I explained to
yeah, yes,
Josephine?
teacher.
Okay, so how to find the value of C?
90 and that what?
Teacher say the total should be how many, Fiona? Total should be how many? 100 and 100 and
50.
Fiona, are you really focused just now?
No.
No, why? Why, Fiona? I'm explaining. It's not easy thing for me. I'm explain, but I still can explain. No problem. But students have to focus. Then how you can answer the questions? That's why all your answers are wrong in your worksheets. Please focus, That's why teachers asked just now, is only Josephine don't understand or still got students don't understand? Nobody answer me. You all say we can understand, right? Teacher said the total is 180. If the 85 degree is already given, How to find the value of C? 180 minus 85 degree, you will get 95 degree. To find the value of C, very simple. Okay, number 4, Jingzer, how to find the value of D? Jingzer, if you're really focused what I taught just now, can answer well. Okay, can try.
180 minus 60 equals to 120.
Very good. Oh, sorry. 180 minus 60, you will get the answer for angle D is 120. Very good. Thank you so much. And then, who wants to try for the question number E? Question number E is exactly same as the question number E. Don't get confused if the line, one center line is given here. The method are same. Who can try for the question number E? Sheng En? Yes, Wei Feng, do you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, what is the answer? How to do? You have to show the working also.
180 degrees minus 80 degrees, then minus 50 degrees becomes 40 degrees.
Very good. 180 degree, you minus with the 60 degree. Again, you can minus with the 60 degree. So you will get the 40 degree, because since 80 degree is already given here, so automatically you should know this angle is 100. But in the 100, 60 is already given. So of course, E should be 40 degree, correct? Okay, Luiso, can you please find the answer for F? Luiso.
Yes, teacher.
What is the answer for F, value of F? Okay, let me check who are the students in the call. Okay, Luiso, can you please answer the question for F? How to do F?
The 55, the 180 degree minus 55 degree.
Okay, what is your answer?
180 degree minus 55. No.
Very good. 180 minus 55. So F is equals to
125.
very good. 125. That's all. Very simple, right?
Yeah.
Whose answers are wrong? Please check again your answers and do it again. Okay. So this one, the last worksheet, the Monday's worksheet. Okay. This one, I give you one example. It's very, very easy actually. Teacher said, okay, please have a look on the slides again. Here. Teacher said the opposite interior angles. If A is 15, C also 15. If D is 85, example lah. If D is 85, the B also should be 85. Correct? Okay, now. Sheng En, what is the value of B? Sorry, I have to put B A here because the angle is A, but this one A lah, assume is A here. How to find the value of A, Sheng En?
75.
Very good. Since teacher said the opposite interior angle should be same, if here is 75, here also 75. Okay, Sheng Wei, how to find the value of B?
118 minus 85.
Okay, then
Answer is 95.
Very good. 180 minus 85, the answer should be 95. Okay, very good. So, how to find the value of C? Chiayangi?
Wait, teacher.
Okay.
180 minus 30.
Very good. 180 minus 30. How? Because why? Because if here is 30, of course the opposite direction here also should be 30. So 30 is already given here, means here should be 150.
50.
Very
80.
good. 150 degree. Okay. D. Who else never try anything? Okay, Herman. Sorry. Who's that?
Ashish, what's wrong? Quickly bake, finish, then can watch TV, okay?
Okay, so D. Herman, can you please try question number D?
Okay, 180 minus 105 is 75.
Very good. 180 degree minus 105 is equals to 75. Very good. Okay, E. Jingza. So hope you all understand now after the discussion. Also the same, the worksheets that I uploaded just now. Jingza, how to find the value of E? Jingza.
Why cannot hear me?
Okay, yes, Jingza. Louder.
180 minus 55.
And then minus?
Minus 80.
Okay, what is your answer for E?
45.
Very good. So the answer is 45. Okay, last one. Fiona, do you want to try the last one? Fiona, hope you understand now.
Yes, teacher.
If you want to try the F.
180 minus 100 equal 80.
Hey, hello. Okay, 80 degree. Very good. Now hope you all understand. Okay, so this one is the worksheets that I have uploaded on Monday. Please try to open. Never mind, I'm opening the worksheet now. This is also the same topic, but it's not so hard. Can do actually. Okay, I'm going to call again one by one. Can we answer the question? Can or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you have to, this one, angles in a parallelogram. So do remember what is the shape of the parallelogram. Okay, so question number 1. Louis saw. You have to find the value of X, value of Y, and value of Z. Very simple. The straight should be 180 degree. The opposite must be equal. Do remember that. So all the angle you can find. Okay, Louis saw. What is the value for X, Y, and Z? Okay, never mind. Can I give example for number 1? And then you can try question number 2. Can?
Can.
Okay, this one is also very simple. Teacher said 115 is already given here, right? So the opposite, which side is the opposite to 115, class? Hello, am I talking to the wall?
No, teacher.
So
Y.
the opposite angle, okay, yes, y, very good. So if here 115, the y also 115, correct? So you already got the